you're spending hours every week creating social media content, only to realize that you're not reaching your target audience. In fact, a staggering 80% of businesses struggle to create engaging content that resonates with their followers. Today, I'll show you how to harness the power of AI to streamline your social media management and save you a significant amount of time. One of the most time-consuming tasks is writing and scheduling social media posts. However, with the help of AI-powered tools, you can create high-quality content in a fraction of the time. For instance, Lumen 5 is an AI-driven platform that enables you to create stunning videos from scratch using a combination of text, images, and music. By using pre-made templates and a library of over 100,000 images, you can create a professional-looking video in under 10 minutes. Let's take a closer look at how to use Lumen 5. First, sign up for a free account on their website and connect your social media accounts.